3 mistakes new affiliates make when promoting products. Are you struggling to make consistent affiliate sales? You might be making these common mistakes without even realizing it. When I first started affiliate marketing, I was spinning my wheels, wondering why no one was buying. Turns out, I was doing the same things most beginners do, and it wasn't working. Mistake number 1, promoting too many products at once. A lot of new affiliates think they need to promote everything to make more money, but this confuses your audience. They need clarity, not a catalog. Instead, focus on 1 to 2 offers you really believe in and position yourself as an expert. Many affiliates don't dive deep into their audience's pain points or desires. If you don't understand what problem the product solves, your messaging won't connect. Ask yourself, what specific problem does this product solve, and speak directly to that. Mistake number 3, posting without a clear call to action, CTA. If you're just sharing links or check this out posts, it's easy for people to scroll past. Instead, give them a clear next step. For example, click the link to get the same tool that helped me grow my sales. A strong CTA makes all the difference. Here's the good news. When you focus on fewer high-converting offers, speak to the pain points, and add strong calls to action, you'll see a massive shift. Affiliate marketing isn't about doing more, it's about doing the right things. Want a deeper dive into how to avoid these mistakes and start converting more customers? Download my free guide for new affiliates. It's packed with practical steps that will help you gain your first 10 customers.